This is a Chicago screw, also known as a Chicago binding screw. These were invented around 100 years ago as a means of binding paper that was sturdier and more compact than a 3-ring binder. It has two parts, a main stud with internal threads, and a short external threaded screw. I find these useful in laser cutting and 3D printing projects as a way to make low-friction metal hinges. If you pick a size that's slightly smaller than your material, or add some spacers or washers, the hinges can grip nicely. I prefer these to bolt-based hinges, because the threads on bolts can dig in and wear in peculiar ways. You can also make rotary axles with them, and objects will spin quite freely. There are some caveats, however. Chicago screws generally only come in kits of fixed sizes, so you need spacers or washers if you want to close up any gaps and make them tight. The ends on them are also not convenient for manual tightening, so if you want to make periodic manual adjustments, you'd need to make knobs. The screw is small enough that might be inconvenient, but it's an M4 screw on these, so you can just get any M4 and use that instead. That's it for this week. See you next time.